Today we're going to be unboxing the Rocket Apartamento espresso machine. I'm excited for this, but first off, please like and subscribe. That really helps me produce content. I also have all the links and all that stuff below. Fair warning, I do want to announce a new partnership. Today I begin a partnership with Joe at Espresso Outlet. What that partnership looks like is he sends me machines to unbox and review and share my opinions with, and then I send them back to him. So I get to play around with the machines a little bit, give an honest review. Joe doesn't see these videos before I put them out or anything like that. He's just a carrier and supplier of espresso machines. So you can find all the links below to his website and information at that. And just want to say thank you again to Joe for allowing me to do this and choosing me to do this. And again, these will still be completely unbiased reviews. So you'll still be getting honesty and authenticness as a part of it. So let's just go ahead and get into it. This box weighs 70 pounds and I'm quite excited for it because I have never actually unboxed an espresso machine. And to rephrase that a little bit, I've done the unboxing of the Flare and the robot, things like that. But all the other espresso machines you've seen on this channel, I have reviewed as a used gear or it's already been unboxed by somebody else. So I've never got this experience before. So I'm going to just go ahead and slip this on the ground real quick because it's incredibly heavy. Alright, we got an insane amount of padding here at the top, all throughout the boxes, at the corners. This is quite the hefty machine. The Rocket Apartamento, it starts about $1,700, give or take a little bit on that. Let's see if I can get this out in one shot. When it comes to espresso machines, $600 to $1,700, or $1,700 isn't a crazy amount, or it's $1,800, somewhere around there. It's kind of, in my opinion, still kind of raising the entry level to espresso machines, which is crazy. It's not necessary that you do spend so much to get good quality espresso at home, but it definitely does make a difference the more you spend. You get things like 2 boilers, which allows you to steam and brew at the same time, and it just makes things a little bit more quicker. But this thing does have a 58 commercial grade portafilter, so I'm excited about that. I'm going to move some of this stuff off the counter here. Alright, so the first thing we have here is the Rocket accessories packet, I believe. Thank you for your purchase. A nice little manual right there. Looks like a cleaning cloth, a flash drive. I'm not sure what is on this flash drive, but I'm sure it says something somewhere. Gotta lift this piece out here. We have a tamper, nice metal tamper. That'd be great to get started with. We have a brew head cleaning brush. I believe these are going to be some cleaning tablets, some stickers, a single spout portafilter with, I believe, a single basket in there, and then we got the double spout portafilter right there with a little bit bigger of a basket. I'm going to probably swap the basket out pretty quickly for a VST one that I have lying around. A metal cup tray right here. Bumpers, you'll see that in just a bit. A blind basket for cleaning. A heavy duty, nice looking metal drip tray. I'm going to go ahead and put that off to the side there. And I believe that's all for the accessory packages, but it definitely gives you a pretty good start. I'm just going to go ahead and throw that off to the side.
A few moments later.
I love this little dust cover that it came with. I did not know much about this machine prior to getting it, but this is one of the ones that I think if I were to go out and buy a machine and I wasn't looking at the Flare, this was something that kind of intrigued me a little bit because of the durability. Rocket is a pretty known company that does a lot of commercial grade machines here. All right. Now I'm going to take all this off without scratching the machine. And so far this seems really, really nice looking. You can tell it's definitely made by a premium company with quality parts just from the unboxing experience so far. More padding and a cord. Now it looks like a foot. A nice little metal feet here. One fell off, I guess, in the shipping. That explains why it was so wobbly at the beginning. Got a power cable here. This is a nice cup tray. These used to be plastic, if I remember correctly, which makes it a nice little add-on piece there, metal. It's got the white side. Nice solid stainless steel legs. And then lastly, the drip tray. So there you have it. That is the unboxing of the Rocket Apartamento. If you have any questions, if there's certain things that you want to see as I review this, or certain questions you have, please let me know. Write a comment in the comment box, and I'd love to help you out with those. I'm going to be doing a lot of different testing. I'm going to be comparing it with a lot of the different devices. I'm going to give you an honest review telling you what I like about the machine and what I don't like, what I would change on it. And I will be taking this through the ringer, and I'm going to be making quite a bit of back-to-back shots. I'm going to bring a group of people over just to see how this handles with them. So thank you so much for watching, and again, please like and subscribe and continue to support me as a YouTuber. Thank you so much.